time to show him. If you found a spoon, that's not quite what we're looking for.
Go find your Easter basket, boy.
Okay. Alright, help him see it.
Charlie, go get Aurelia.
He's got a sticker stuck on him. Okay, show him.
Let him
No,
get it.
let
Just
him
show him.
find him. Just show him where it is.
Charlie, go get it.
Go on. Aurelia, come on this way.
Mom, is that one mine?
Hi, handsome. Oh, did you find another one?
For me.
Cool. Aurelia
Right.
found hers.
Are you sure you got one?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I found it.
How do you know that one's yours?
Because I do.
Does
It
it?
has stars on it.
Does it have your name on it?
Oh, see my name.
Why don't you pull it out and check?
That's a lot of stuff.
Is that one yours?
See, it is.
How do you know?
Because I do.
Does it have your name on it? Charlie's has his name on it. Maybe look at the basket.
Thank you, Clifford. You saved my painting.
Whose name is that on there?
Mine?
Oh, so it's yours? How do you know? Has it got an A on it?
Yeah. A.
Cool.
Nah.
Now we gotta help Charlie find his.
Yep, and then we'll open them after Charlie finds his.
Come on, Charlie. I wonder if there's more.
There's only 2 kids, so I'm assuming there's only 2 baskets. Nope. that
Charlie, you
one's
gotta
Aurealia's
find yours.
basket. Help him find his.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come here.
Go find your basket, boy.
There's 2
You should
for
call Little
shot.
Babe now that you're over there. There he goes.
He's coming.
Oh, good, he found it. Charlie, is that yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Charlie's already opening his, so you can open yours too, honey. No, we don't take photos of the mommy.
That's not a photo, it's a video.
You don't take videos of the mommy either.
Yep.
Especially in my pajamas. Hi, handsome. Do you like it? Yeah? Babe, go get his Easter basket out from under there and stop